Inverter.
Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of the project is Examining Successful Attributes for Undergraduate Students by Applying Machine Learning Techniques. The abstract of the project is methods for automatically identifying students in need to assistance have been studied for decades. Higher education institutions are often curious whether students will be successful or not during their study. Before or during their courses, the academic institution tried to estimate the percentage of successful students. This study focuses on ways to examining student successfully attributes for undergraduate students using data mining techniques. The student education data mining works were organized as a raw database. As a result of execution of the classification process, a set of educational functionalities was found. A realistic patterns of student education data mining approaches was discovered. One key finding is most of the student education data mining approaches are grounded on a set composed by educational system, test preparation, tasks, methods, and algorithms each. Student education data mining field concentrate on prediction more often as compared to generating exact results for future purposes. The various machine learning algorithms models are implemented and examining the attributes for undergraduate students. The prediction result based on accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, specificity, and space sensitivity. And the flow diagram of the project is first we need to start the program and select the student grade prediction dataset, and we use the sample dataset in the console working directory, then apply it into the pre-processing method. In pre-processing method, we are going to check the missing values and null values in our dataset. If it is any missing values or null values in our dataset, we need to replace the missing values and null values into unique value of 0. Then another method is label encoding. In label encoding, we need to convert the string values into the unique binary values. Then it will apply into the feature selection. Feature selection it is the model selection method. In model selection, we are going to split our dataset into training dataset and testing dataset. In the ratio of training dataset is 80% and testing data is 20%. Then it will apply into classification method. In classification, the various machine learning and deep learning algorithm implemented and find the results based on accuracy, precision, recall, F1 measure, sensitivity, and specificity. In classification, the naive-based machine learning algorithm, decision tree, k-nearest neighbor, support vector machine, and multi-layer perceptron algorithms are used as a machine learning algorithm. In deep learning, artificial neural network and convolutional neural network algorithms are implemented as a deep learning algorithm, and it will train the data set and provide the result based on the accuracy, precision, recall, F1 measure, sensitivity, and specificity. I am going to run my project in Anaconda Navigator Spider IDE. Program was running successfully. This is the sample dataset of student grade prediction, and this is the label encoder pre-processed dataset. Naive-Bayes algorithm accuracy is 68%, and these are all the classification report of Naive-Bayes algorithm like precision, recall, and F1 score based on pass and fail students. This is the confusion matrix of Naive-Bayes algorithm, and this is Naive-Bayes specificity is 0.404 and Naive-Bayes sensitivity is 0.404, and this is the digital classification learning curve of Naive-Bayes algorithm. This is training score and this is class validation score. And this is the confusion matrix diagram. And another algorithm is decision tree algorithm, and decision tree algorithm accuracy is 88%. And these are all the classification report of decision tree algorithm. And this is the confusion matrix of decision tree algorithm, and decision tree specificity is 0.808 and the decision tree sensitivity is 0.808. And this is the learning curve of decision tree algorithm, and this is the confusion matrix of decision tree algorithm. And k nearest neighbor algorithm accuracy is 66%, and these are the classification report of k nearest neighbor algorithm. And this is the confusion matrix of k nearest neighbor algorithm, and k nearest neighbor algorithm specificity is 0.423, sensitivity is 0.423. And the learning curve of k nearest neighbor algorithm, and this is the confusion matrix of k nearest neighbor algorithm. And support vector machine SVM accuracy is 70%, and these are all the classification report of support vector machine. On confusion matrix of support vector machine, and specificity of support vector machine, and sensitivity of support vector machine is 0.327. And this is the learning curve of support vector machine. And finally, confusion matrix of support vector machine. And the final algorithm is multi-layer perceptron algorithm, and the accuracy of MLP is 84%. And this is the classification report of MLP algorithm, and this is the confusion matrix of MLP algorithm. And specificity of MLP is 0.692, sensitivity is also 0.692, and this is the MLP digital classification learning curves, and this is the confusion matrix. These are all the variable results that we are used in our program.